Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are solve a interesting radical math question, interesting math problem, which is square root a over 3a is equal to 3a is equal to what? How to solve this interesting math problem? So our math solution, our question which is square root a over 3a is equal to 3. I solve this question two method. This is our first method. Now at this moment if I do cross multiplication here, so it will be square root a over 3a is equal to 3 over 1. Now you can say this square root a times 1, this is square root a is equal to this 3 times 3, this is 9, but a here is a. Now at this moment I use both side whole square, so square root a bracket power is 2 is equal to 9a bracket power is 2. Now square root is cancelled, which is a, then this is 9 to the power 2, which is 81, this is 81, then this is a to the power 2, you can say a to the power 2, this is a square. Now if I use this value here, so it will be 81 a to the power 2, and if I take this value this side, it will be negative a is equal to 0. So we are find out a nice quadratic equation. So at this moment you can see easily here a is common, so if I take a is common, so this divide this, it will be 81 a minus this a divide a, this is 1 is equal to 0. Now I use zero product form rule, so which is a is equal to 0, then it will be 81 a minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is 81 a is equal to 1. Now if I divide both sides by 81, 81 a over 81 is equal to 1 over 81. Now this cancel, we are find out a is equal to 1 over 81. So we'll find out our final answer, a is equal to 0 or a is equal to 1 over 81. Now I solve these questions others method. Our question which is square root a over 3a is equal to 3. Now at this moment you can say this expression, it will be square root a over a. I take this a here and this is 1 over 3, so it will be 1 over 3 is equal to 3. Now I multiply both sides by 3, so which is square root a over a, 1 over 3 times 3 is equal to 3 times 3. I multiply both sides by these 3. Then at this moment this 3 cancel, we are find out square root a over a is equal to this 3 times 3, it will be 9. Then we know that square root a, which is a to the power 1 over 2, it will be half. Then here is a to the power 1 and this is 9. Now if I apply this math formula, a to the power n over a to the power m, which is a to the power n minus m, so this expression, it will be a to the power 1 over 2 minus 1 is equal to 9. Then this is a to the power minus half. This half minus 1, it will be negative half is equal to 9. Then this is 1 over e to the power half is equal to 9. Now at this moment you can say this expression, it will be a to the power 1 over 2, which is 1 over 9. Then this is a to the power 1 over 2, I take both sides 2, then this is 1 over 9 bracket power is 2. Now if I multiply this cancel, we will find out a is equal to 1 over 9 to the power 2, this is 81. So we will find out again our final answer, which is a is equal to 1 over 81. Let's verify our question, which is square root a over 3a is equal to 3. But remember that a is equal to 0 and a is equal to 1 over 81. This is the value of a. Now if I take a is equal to 0, so square root 0 over 3 times this is 0 and 0 is equal to 3. So 0 cannot be equal 3. So left hand side and right hand side not equal. So you can't follow this value. It is rejected. So a is equal to 0. It is rejected. But if I follow 1 over 81, so at this moment this is square root a. So square root 1 over 81 over 3a. A is equal to 1 over 81 is equal to 3. Now this is a square root 1, it will be 1, but square root 81, which is 9, and this is 81 divide 3, this is 27. So I take here is 27, this is 27 is equal to 3. Then this is 1 over 9 times this 27 here, and this is 1 is equal to 3. So 27 divide 9, this is 3. So you can say easily 3 is equal to 3. So left hand side and right hand side, both sides is equal. 3 is equal to 3. So you can say a is equal to 1 over 81. This is our final answer in this radical maths problem. Goodbye. Take care everyone.